Hello folks, and welcome back to my channel, the Scottish Model Railway Guy. So today, how am I going to push the layout on? Well, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to have a look at the back scene. Now if you look up in this area, you can see a back scene behind this building, which really brought it on, and I'm just going to flash up a wee video that I did before with that back scene to show how that looks, and that's appearing in the top left right now. Now what I intend to do is to take on now this area of the back scene so that you can get a feel for how quickly you can change change your effectively train set into a layout, because I think for me the background makes the layout. Now there's experts at this that do this to absolute precision. What I'm going to show you is how to do it when you're in a confined space, which is what I'm in. You can't really see, but it's a sloping roof and it's quite tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift over to hyperlapse, and that way you can see it happening really quickly and see the transformation coming. So hang on folks, here we go. And there we have it, the industrial zone changed. Now the long-term plans to do a bit more here, to merge in the background. So if I take away this truck, for me it's too sharp a transition. I do like the fields sort of stretching off into the background. I think that does look good. I don't know if I can rotate the camera a wee bit, but you can see the merge over there in the corner where the town sort of changes into the industrial zone. I'm just going to take this out so you can see the effect. Maybe I'm not. Yeah, that's it out. Past the sign so you can see the village up there. So, does it look good? I think so. One of the things you might be wondering as well, what am I going to do with the top bit up there? So there's going to be a bead runs right along the top and all the way around once the decorating phase gets started, but for now that's the effect of what it looks like on the layout itself. So you might have noticed that I've moved the ramshackle workshop away up to here. That's the chimney of it there. Take that away so you can see it a bit better. And I sort of made that decision, it was based in perspective. So I've always found if you get too many tall things at the front of your layout, you can't really see what's going on at the back of it. And for me, that was one of those ones that I thought, right, I better change it. So anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's one that I've never shown before, is how to put that up. However, I think the best way to describe it is with a lot of difficulty. So what I did was I blue tacked it first so that I could get the rough position, and then I used Scotch tape, magic tape, whatever it is. Now, the right way to do it, the absolute right way to do it, is to treat it like wallpaper. However, I've tried it once. It ended up an absolute nightmare, and I've seen other YouTube videos with people saying the same. Anyway, thank you for watching. thank you for coming this far. Please do subscribe if you've never been here before. If you've came this far, then you know you've enjoyed this video, so do consider it. And I shall see you again, folks. Thank you.